Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pete's Knowledge Corner. As we all know that children, adults and more people faces pros and cons due to this lockdown. One of the benefits which I feel personally during this lockdown is parent and children nowadays they get ample time to spend at home. But on the other side, due to this technological advancement, children were addicted to play games on mobile phones. And I couldn't see I couldn't see any children playing other than games and mobile phones. I could see all the parents also they were busy in watching this coronavirus news, the updates, as well as the children they were addicted to the same mobile phones. And nowadays they get more time to play games on mobile phone as their schools also is on lockdown. I want to share few ill effects of using mobile phone, especially children. Disturb brain activity. So in children, the waves from the phone can be penetrated right into the interior parts of the brain, as they do not have any strong shield. And the second thing, if you say, is sleep disruption. Sleep may also disturb while the children use mobile phone for a long period, and it also causes fatigue and restless. And finally, if they use continuously, which may disrupts the academic life also. And next thing is academic malpractice. So example I can say, children like nowadays they take all these mobile phones and everything in the exam halls, and due to this their behavior will also be affected and their academic performance will also be affected, and finally this will be resulting in personality issues. And then many medical issues is also one of the ill effects, like as they stick on continuously to the mobile, they don't take part in all those physical activities in which olden days the children do. And also the children they won't get any fresh air from the environment. So this puts them at the risk of developing obesity and other illness. So now here I'm gonna share few tips to the parents to make child to engage in activities during this lockdown which do not cause any ill effects to the child. And dear parents, I want you all to make sure that these activities what you give to the child, it should be handled by them also. So you have to consider the child's age and their mental capability too. So first thing I want to say is, as we all in this lockdown period, I have created a mnemonic in this word in which you all can remember easily. So LO, it stands for loving and looking. I have given two meanings for this LO, loving and looking. So loving, so this is not the new thing because you all love children. So now here especially I want to say loving, it doesn't means the love what you love is not a single thing. So loving is, here I just want to say is spare time to share your positive experiences with the child, and ask your child also to describe the likes dislikes regarding their like studies subjects and their school activities, about friends, teachers and all. So in that way the child may feel that you are giving more importance to the child. So in that way your love can also be extended to the child once again during this lockdown. And next thing is looking. Looking is, you can also encourage the child to look into all the activities, especially the household activities that you do, so that from this many things they will be learning. And the third thing I want to say is CK. So here I have given a word, cooking. So now all the parents, you all were engaged in all these cooking activities too. So you can also engage your child in doing all these small activities in which they can assist you. Let them do something. So like examples, stringing beans or setting the table, slicing vegetables, or cleaning the household vessels, etc., etc. And next, so this is all about lock. And the second is down, do. So do stands for doing. So like the child, when they start using mobile, is if they doesn't have anything to do, so here you can make the child to do something. Especially there are many arts and crafts works and all. So arts and crafts work, if you see, like nowadays the shops were also on lockdown, so you could not get the materials for that. But the simple thing, the old newspapers are available in every houses, so you can teach the child to make some paper craft works. And if they know any craft works, tell them to do them, encourage them to do this, because these craft works or this paper craft, this does not only provides entertainment, but also it will be helping in developing their fine motor skills as well as creativity. And the last, WN, it stands for winning. So if we follow all these tips, we can win the corona lockdown, boredom for the especially for the children, and also win the ill effects of mobile addiction. And in this way, we can focus all round development of children. Stay home, stay safe.